In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change your phone number on X after creating your X account. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to change your phone number on X, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get right into the tutorial steps. Start on your X homepage and navigate to the top left corner where you'll find your profile menu. Tap on it. Scroll down until you locate Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. Within the settings, tap on Your Account. Proceed by tapping on Account Information. To change your phone number, tap on Phone. You'll find options to update, delete, or cancel your phone number. Tap on Update Phone Number. Re-enter your X password to continue. Once confirmed, you'll be prompted to enter your new phone number. Remember, it's crucial to ensure accuracy while updating your phone number to avoid any mistakes. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.